What's going on, guys? My name is Director Mickey, and in today's video we are going to learn how to import files in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. You can find our previous production at the top right corner on how you can open Adobe Premiere Pro and its basics. So here we go. I have my project opened, a new project with no timeline and other stuff. So I just want to teach you guys 2 steps you can easily import files. So let's say I have the video files around MMH Ghana. So let's say I want to import this video into Adobe Premiere Pro CC. I just double click on it and then drag it like this one. So I just imported the video file plus the audio file. You can actually import audios and pictures, but in this case I decided that we drop this video file directly right here. So it is one of my tutorials I did not too long ago. Also, you can just undo this and then right click on an empty space around your project media panel, and you see a new bin right here. So this creates a new bin, like a folder where you can actually import your files. So you can actually name this as Director Mickey, or something like that. After that, then you double click on it. So you have your bin here. As we did earlier, you can just drag your files, your video and audio files, into the bin you created, and boom, when you open it you'll find it right there. Here's the video we just dropped. Also, you can come around here, media browser, and then click on it. You actually find the disks in the PC right here, the C and the E. So maybe you have the video files on the E, the MMH Ghana. Then you click on it, and the thumbnails of the video files on your disk will appear right here. So you select the one you want to select, and then boom, it will import into your source panel right here, and you are good to go. So on the source panel right here, then you can choose to double click on it and drop it on your timeline. It will actually import the file once again on the timeline, and you start editing. So guys, that's it for today. You can just double click and drag your video file onto your timeline to import the files, or you can actually check at the media browser panel in the software. So subscribe to my channel and stay connected. We just started, so make sure you stay connected for more exclusive updates. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.